Okay, I'm gonna be playing Shawarma Kiosk. Why am I scared to cross the road? I'm gonna get hit by a car, bro. I'm not even lying, but I'm gonna get hit by a car. Go. Okay. Oh god. Oh, what was that? Okay, bro. You know, I'm fine. No.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk.
Okay, bro. What do I do? I should have done the tutorial. Okay, I figured out what to do. Open the door.
A1 shawarma recipe.
Turn it off.
Sure, that would be too hard. Just a moment, it will be ready. All right,
I really just clicked start.
I see you're playing at night, right, huh? I can cut your internet any moment. Don't believe it? Watch.
No, don't. Oh. It's fake.
Just kidding.
Okay, I'm a sauce. Okay, but why did I think it was gonna be ketchup or something? Bro, is that mayonnaise? Okay, I'm just gonna finish making this. Jeez. Why is it called a lavish? I thought that was a tortilla. Meat. This is some great quality meat right here. Oh my gosh. I can't add the meat, bro. I literally can't add the meat, bro. I can't add the meat. I'm sorry, sir, but the meat spinner thing's not working, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to add your meat today. Ooh. There we go. Never mind, I figured it out. You're gonna sit with... What? You're gonna sit here. I'm just gonna stop. Okay. Place it on the rubbish. Roll the shawarma. Okay. Give. Oh, I forgot something. What did I forget? We have to restart? What do I do? I know that I forgot something. Hold on, sir. The game's not letting me do this. Did I forget to turn that off? Can I give it to you? What did I forget? Okay, I figured out what to do, and I just restarted the game. Okay, put the lavish on the board. No, tortilla on the board. Put the sauce on the lavish. Put the cheese. Put the cheese on the lavish. Put the salad on the lavish. Now we add the meat. On the lavish. Now we roll the shawarma.
Here's your shawarma, sir. Enjoy.
Nice. Warm feels better. I can finally think straight.
Okay. What is that, Zesty? I'll walk off. We ain't playing just to impress, okay? Next customer, come on. You have to close up shop. I'm not sure what that was. Hi. Not scared of you. Holy crap, bro. Oh my god, bro. We're good.
shawarma.
We're good. We're all good.
What, you judging me or
Daddy,
something?
bro. No, not
Everyone
you.
else eats trash. I know what's good.
Got it. 300 for both.
300, bro, I'm making bank. You know how to do this. I'm a professional now. Oh right, I already refilled it. Yeah. Give. There you go. Why'd you want two? Put sauce. Large. And put the salad. There. Now we'll take the meat. And put it on the large. Now roll it up. And give.
Here's your shawarma.
Huh, not great, honestly.
What?
And way too expensive for what it is. I'll eat it anyway.
Hey, better.
Next time I
Hard on
expect a
that.
discount.
Discount? You ain't getting no discount. You rude. Bye bye. Why you ain't got no pants on, little bro? Put some pants on. Go back home and get some pants on. Okay, yeah, I saw him behind the meat. I saw him behind the meat. You know? Not scared
Can
of
I
you.
get 2 shawarmas
Yes,
and
okay.
2 sodas?
2 shawarmas and 2 sodas.
Yeah. One is for me, and one is for my friend.
Where's your friend?
Who's your friend?
She is waiting across the street. She said she does not want to come closer.
That will be 400.
Okay. We're good. We're good. Please. No more freaking anomalies, bro. I'm about. Just make this short. I do not want to turn around. Okay, it's not scary anymore.